Welcome to InvestorWeb, your reliable companion in the journey of financial independence and skill enhancement. We are here to enlighten you on the importance of financial literacy, investing, and developing a strong skill set. In the dynamic job market of the 21st century, the traditional career path is being rapidly overshadowed by a more versatile, skill-based approach. Our world is constantly evolving, and to stay relevant, we must adapt and learn new skills. Our mission at InvestorWeb is to guide you through this process, helping you to navigate the financial world and build a robust skill set that will serve you well in the modern job market. We believe that focusing on skills rather than a fixed career path opens up a world of opportunities. In this video, we will compare and contrast the traditional career path with a skill-focused approach. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of skills. Traditionally, a career path is often seen as a linear progression in a specific field. This notion takes us back to the time when a person would start in an entry-level role, perhaps right out of school, and then steadily climb the corporate ladder within the same company or industry. There's a sense of security and predictability to this approach. You know the steps you need to take, the skills you need to acquire, and the milestones you need to reach to advance. This traditional career path has its merits. It offers a clear trajectory and a sense of stability. You're not constantly wondering what's next because the path is laid out in front of you. You have a clear view of the top of the corporate ladder and you know what it takes to get there. This can provide a sense of purpose, direction, and accomplishment. But along with these merits, there are also drawbacks. One of the main disadvantages is the lack of flexibility. In a traditional career path, you're often boxed into a particular role or industry. This can limit your ability to explore other areas of interest or capitalize on emerging opportunities. It can also lead to stagnation if the industry you're in faces a downturn or becomes obsolete. Moreover, the traditional career path often promotes competition over collaboration. As everyone is vying to climb the same ladder, it can create a cutthroat environment that prioritizes individual success over collective progress. This can lead to unhealthy work cultures and stifle innovation. Also, the traditional career path assumes that the job market will remain static. But that's not the case. The job market is dynamic and constantly evolving with advancements in technology, shifts in consumer behavior, and changes in the global economy. Sticking to a single profession might not provide you with the adaptability you need to navigate these changes successfully. While the traditional career path might provide stability, it may not always provide flexibility and adaptability in the ever-changing job market. So, as we move forward, it's essential to question and rethink our approach to careers. Perhaps it's time to focus more on developing a versatile skill set than on climbing a predetermined corporate ladder. In contrast to the traditional career path, skill-based careers focus on specific skills that can be applied across multiple industries and roles. This approach is reshaping the way we perceive work, success, and growth. Instead of being confined to a single career trajectory, skill-based careers create a panorama of opportunities, opening doors to multiple industries and roles. Imagine you're a Swiss Army knife. You're not just a knife, are you? You're also a screwdriver, a can opener, a pair of scissors, and so much more. That's what skill-based careers are like. They make you versatile, adaptable, and always in demand. Take coding, for instance. A coder isn't just limited to the tech industry. Every industry needs coders, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. And it's not just about creating software or building websites. Coding skills can be used for data analysis, artificial intelligence, and even digital art. Similarly, digital marketing is another high-demand skill. With the rise of the internet and social media, every business, irrespective of its size or industry, needs a digital marketer. From planning campaigns to understanding consumer behavior, digital marketing offers a vast field of opportunities. And let's not forget about data analysis. In our data-driven world, being able to understand and interpret data is a highly valuable skill. It's like being able to speak a universal language that transcends industries. Data analysis can be used in finance to predict market trends, in healthcare to improve patient care, and in sports to enhance performance. The beauty of skill-based careers is that they are not tied down to a single industry or role. They allow for constant growth and adaptability. As the world changes, your skills can be applied to new contexts, new problems, and new opportunities. This versatility also means you're less likely to be replaced by automation. as your skills are transferable and adaptable. The skill-focused approach provides a wider range of opportunities and flexibility, allowing individuals to navigate through different industries. Now that we have understood both the traditional career path and the skill-focused approach, it's time to put them side by side. The traditional career path, which is often linear, is largely based on the idea of climbing a predetermined ladder, starting at the bottom and slowly working one's way up. It's a path that's been in place for generations, and it's one that many of us have been conditioned to accept as the norm. However, this path can sometimes limit one's opportunities. You may find yourself stuck in a role that doesn't fully utilize your potential, or in an industry that's losing relevance in the modern world. On the flip side, a skill-based career can provide more freedom and adaptability. This approach prioritizes the acquisition of skills over climbing a predetermined ladder. It allows individuals to pivot between industries and roles, depending on where their skills are needed most. Today, in a world where change is the only constant, this flexibility can be a valuable asset. In a traditional career, the focus is often on maintaining a steady job. The idea is to stay with one company and gradually move up the ranks. In contrast, a skill-based career encourages continuous learning and development. It's about expanding your skill set and becoming a lifelong learner. Moreover, a traditional career might confine you within the walls of a specific industry or role. However, a skill-based career opens up a world of opportunities. It enables you to take your skills and apply them in different contexts, industries, and roles. This can lead to a more varied and interesting career path. In addition, a traditional career often comes with a glass ceiling, a limit to how far you can advance. However, in a skill-based career, your progression is largely determined by your own drive to learn and adapt. While both paths have their merits, it's clear that a skill-focused approach can offer more opportunities in the modern job market. This doesn't mean that the traditional path is obsolete. Instead, it's about recognizing the potential of a skill-based approach and how it can complement a traditional career path. After all, the future of work is not about choosing between one or the other, but about integrating both in a meaningful way. No matter the path you choose, one thing remains constant: the need for continuous learning. In this fast-paced world where technology evolves with each passing minute and the job market shifts like quicksand, continuous learning is more than just a good habit. It's a survival skill. Whether you're a traditional careerist or a skill-based professional, your journey doesn't end when you land a job or master a particular skill. It's a never-ending process of growth and adaptation. Think of your skills as a set of tools in a toolbox. The more tools you have, the more tasks you can undertake. But tools can become blunt or obsolete over time. That's why you need to continuously sharpen and upgrade them. In traditional careers, this could mean pursuing further studies, attending professional development courses, or staying updated with the latest trends in your field. For instance, a doctor doesn't stop learning after medical school. They continually educate themselves about new research findings, medical techniques, and treatment methods. On the other hand, in skill-based careers, continuous learning is about expanding and refining your skills. A graphic designer, for example, must learn about new software, design trends, and user experience principles. They must also develop ancillary skills, such as project management or customer service, to enhance their value in the market. The job market is like a river, constantly flowing and changing its course. To stay afloat, you need to paddle along with the current, which means continuously learning and adapting. The skills that are in demand today might not be relevant tomorrow. So don't rest on your laurels thinking you've learned all there is to know. Instead, nurture a mindset of curiosity and a hunger for knowledge. Embrace change as an opportunity to learn something new, not as a threat. Make learning a lifelong commitment, not a stepping stone to a job. Remember, the key to success in any career is adaptability and continuous learning. We've come to the end of our enlightening journey comparing traditional careers and skill-based careers. In this journey, we've navigated the terrain of the traditional career path, marked by rigid roles and limited flexibility. We've then experienced the surge of skill-based careers, a new realm where your abilities are the real currency. We've weighed these two worlds against each other, and it's clear that the landscape of work is changing. The traditional path is no longer the only route to success. In our dynamic job market, focusing on skills rather than job titles can open up a world of opportunities, providing flexibility and adaptability. We've also emphasized the importance of continuous learning. In an ever-evolving world, staying on top of your game means constantly upgrading your skill set, adapting to new realities, and seizing the opportunities they present. Thank you for joining us on InvestorWeb. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discussions on financial literacy, investing, and skill-based careers. Remember, it's not about picking a career, it's about picking a skill set.